Hello students, I am Mr. Guha and today's topic is, what are the major climate zones of the world? And how do they influence human activities and settlement patterns? So without wasting time, let's learn it. The world can be divided into several major climate zones, each with distinct characteristics that influence human activities and settlement patterns. Here are the main climate zones and their impacts on human societies. 1. Tropical climate zone. Near the equator, characterized by high temperatures and high humidity, influences agriculture. Ideal for growing crops like coffee, cocoa, and bananas. Settlements. Dense populations in cities like Singapore and Rio de Janeiro. 2. Desert climate zone. Hot and dry, covering about 1/3 of the Earth's land area, influences agriculture. Challenging due to water scarcity, but suitable for crops like dates and cacti. Settlements. Sparse populations, often in oases or cities like Phoenix and Cairo. 3. Temperate climate zone. Mild temperatures, moderate humidity, and seasonal changes influences agriculture. Suitable for diverse crops like wheat, corn, and soybeans. Settlements. Dense populations in cities like New York and London. 4. Continental climate zone. Large temperature fluctuations, low humidity, and limited vegetation influences agriculture. Challenging due to harsh winters and short growing seasons. Settlements. Sparse populations, often in cities like Moscow and Minneapolis. 5. Polar climate zone. Extremely cold temperatures, low humidity, and limited sunlight influences agriculture. Nearly impossible due to harsh conditions. Settlements. Very sparse populations, often in research stations or indigenous communities. 6. Alpine climate zone. Cold temperatures, high humidity, and limited vegetation at high elevations influences agriculture. Challenging due to harsh conditions and short growing seasons. Settlements. Sparse populations, often in mountain resorts or villages. 7. Oceanic climate zone. Mild temperatures, high humidity, and significant rainfall near the oceans influences agriculture. Suitable for crops like tea, coffee, and citrus fruits. Settlements. Dense populations in cities like Tokyo and Seattle. These climate zones significantly impact human activities and settlement patterns, influencing 1. Agriculture. Climate determines the types of crops that can be grown, affecting food security and local economies. 2. Water resources. Climate influences precipitation patterns, affecting access to clean water and sanitation. 3. Energy consumption. Climate determines heating and cooling needs, impacting energy demand and consumption patterns. 4. Infrastructure. Climate influences the design and construction of buildings, roads, and other infrastructure. 5. Human health. Climate affects the spread of diseases, heat stress, and other health concerns. 6. Migration and urbanization. Climate can drive migration patterns, urbanization, and the growth of cities. Understanding these climate zones and their impacts is essential for sustainable development, urban planning, and environmental management.